So for our project, we chose mapping different cancers in the state of Kentucky. To start, we looked up CDC databases and we found the National Cancer Institute, which gave us data from all of the different states and the whole United States, but we chose Kentucky because that's where we are right now. And so this right here shows that we were able to decide what we wanted to look up. We could choose the different cancers and the different areas. We decided to do all counties in Kentucky, and then we could also change the interval types and who we were looking at. From there, we decided to do lung cancer because lung cancer affects everybody, and it shows here that there's a high incidence rate in the state of Kentucky. The darker the red shows a higher incident rate, and the darker the blue shows the low incident rates. We then chose colon and rectum cancer because this also affects many people in America. And once again, this shows that there is a high incidence rate in eastern Kentucky. The final map that we did was from skin cancer, and this map was very inconclusive because it had a lot of suppressed data. However, it showed in central Kentucky there was a high incidence rate, which was much different from the other two. We then went to Social Explorer, and this map shows the population density. And so this was just from the census, and we looked at the state of Kentucky. And then we also looked at the poverty levels in Kentucky and found that eastern Kentucky had a higher poverty level than the other parts. And the higher the poverty level, the darker the shade of orange. We then compared the maps to the poverty level and found that eastern Kentucky has not only high incident rates of cancers, but also has the higher poverty levels.